Next example, student, that is example of electrophilic addition reaction. So this is also alkenes. Alkenes undergoes electrophilic addition reaction. That is, this reaction is, that is a hydrohalogenation. Why? Because of one hydrogen is there, one halogen is there. So hydrogen having positive species and Br is negative species. This H plus we call that is electrophile, Br minus we call as that is nucleophile. In the presence of CCl4, that is non-polar solvent. So here this compound having double bond, that is double bonded compounds always undergoes electrophilic addition. So here this double bond, one bond shifting towards left side or right side, we know that is depends on this left hand side is butyl group is there, tertiary butyl group is there. This tertiary butyl group is electron releasing group. So that's why this bond shifting towards the right hand side. This bond shifting towards the right hand side. So what happened, that is CH3, CH3, then CH3, this CH plus this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. In first step is bond breaking. First step is bond breaking. Next step what to do, student, that is next step is electrophile will act. This is electrophilic addition reaction. So that's why first attacker is electrophile. You remember, students, in electrophilic addition reaction always first attacker is electrophile. What is electrophile? That is positive species, that is H plus. This H plus will attack always negative charge side. This H plus will attack always a negative charge side. We can write that is product is, that is CH3, CH3 and CH3, CH plus, then this CH2 minus is converted into CH3. It is the secondary carbocation, it is the intermediate carbocation. So this is the intermediate product, it is intermediate carbocation. This intermediate carbocation is, that is secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation, after that now what to do, student, that is next step is, that is third step is, that is nucleophile attack. Nucleophile will attack, that is positive species side, this Br minus. This Br minus will attack, that is positive species side. So what is the product we can write, that is CH3, CH3, then CH3, CH, Br, then CH3. This is the final answer, student. This is final answer. This is 2-bromo 3,3 dimethyl butane. 2-bromo 3,3 dimethyl butane. Student, this is the minor product. This is not major, this is minor product. What about that major product here, student? That is here secondary carbocation is there, student. Here it is a secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation want to be tertiary. This is the secondary carbocation, student. So here this is, I am writing here, this is secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation want to be tertiary. What is the purpose? That is shifting of rearrangement of positive charge. Rearrangement of positive charge. So to purpose of that stabilization purpose. So here tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. We know order, that is stability of carbocation, that is tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation is more stable than CH3 plus. We know this is the order. So here now what to do here, but first step is the hydride shifting, but hydride is not available in this compound. So now next priority goes to methyl group. Here this carbon, beside this carbon having 3 methyl groups are there. Out of these three, any one methyl group will shifting towards the right hand side. This methyl group will shifting towards the right hand side. So what happened here, this positive charge shifting towards left hand side, this methyl group shifting towards the right hand side. What is the product here, intermediate product, that is, student, that is CH3, CH3, this CH, this CH3, this CH3. This is the tertiary carbocation. Once again, student, here this secondary carbocation is there. What happened here, now what to do in this step, that is 1,2 shifting, 1,2 shifting, that is methyl shifting, CH3 minus, methyl shifting. This CH3 group will shifting towards the right hand side, that is this will shifting towards right hand side, that is this positive will shift left hand side, means this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting neutral, means that is tertiary carbon. This carbon getting one methyl group extra. So here this carbon positive charge is there, this is the this positive which is called tertiary carbocation. We know order tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation, that is the reason. So here this is the tertiary carbocation, this is tertiary carbocation. Out of these, which one is more stable? Tertiary carbocation is the more stable. After that, now what to do here, that Vr minus this Br minus will attack positive charge side. So what is the final product, that is CH3 CCH3, here Br, then CH3, then CH. This is the final student, this is the major product. What is the reason? This is the minor product, this is the major product, due to the hyperconjugation. This is the intermediate compound, this is the intermediate tertiary carbocation, this is the tertiary carbocation. This positive charge beside 3 hyperconjugates are there, here also 3 hyperconjugates, here also 3 hyperconjugates, here also 1 hyperconjugate. Total 7 hyperconjugates are there. Stability depends on number of hyperconjugates. So, but in this compound, in secondary carbocation, only 4 hyperconjugates are there. So, it is a secondary carbocation. In this secondary carbocation, only 4 hyperconjugates. 3 hydrogens, sorry, only 3 hyperconjugates are present in secondary carbocation. In this secondary carbocation, only 3 hyperconjugates are present, but in tertiary carbocation 7 hyperconjugates are present. So here stability depends on number of hyperconjugates. So more number of hyperconjugates, always more the stability. So that is the reason, students. So this is the major product. So this is the shifting of methyl groups. These are the important of electrophilic addition reactions. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.